All right, guys. So I did my first camera live action ride on the fireblade for this channel. I know how to ride. I've been riding for like 15, 20 years, and I know how to ride this track bike, but I really don't know what I'm doing with the camera setup and the YouTube type of stuff. If you don't know who I am, then I'm Damien. I own Disturbing Creations, the auto channel, and the mechanic shop. So we do a lot of mechanics, but on YouTube, it's kind of dry. They're more educational videos. So I have this like really rare 2021 Honda CBR RR SP Fireblade full track bike. So they've come out. I don't know if they came out the 2022, but I'm seeing them on YouTube now 2023. So since I have the first one, I want to also get it out on YouTube because I'm riding it all the time, but I want you guys to see me taking it to events, racing it, just detailing it, getting new items, listening to before and after exhaust. But this is my first video that I actually did action cam. So I don't really know what I'm doing, and I don't know how to set the action cams up. I was just kind of making stuff. On the back, I just put a couple screws in a selfie stick and bolted it to my bike and stuck a camera off the back. So you're going to be able to see that in this video. The video is all taken from the front camera. I do have a back camera video I'm editing. That's going to be the second one. I'll launch that in a few days. But what I want is I need comments. I need other bikers, I need other YouTubers, I need other people that are good with action cams to leave me comments like, hey, you got to do this, you got to do that. This is a good website. Leave me a link. Just tell me like, hey, I've used this product before. I would use this. It's a little more expensive. Or, don't use this, don't use that. So my bike's a Honda. Maybe there's specific things just for Honda. I just don't know. But I'm trying to get people involved in this channel, this Just for Motorcycles channel. So please tell me what you have. If you have a channel, leave a link down below so that other people can see your channel as well. And I want to check out your channel as well, especially if you have a Fireblade, man. If you have a Fireblade and you live close, then we need to do something together. But let's get right into it. I know the camera bounces around a lot, so don't gig me for that. But it is in 4K, I believe. So I was trying to get at least really good editing, like good picture quality. So I'm trying to mess with all the different settings on the cameras, because like I said, I'm new to this. But please help me out. Like, tell me how many FPS I need to be running at 4K to get really good, or how can I stabilize the camera? Because you're gonna be seeing the camera shaking around a lot. And then every once in a while when I'm riding, I grab the camera and put it back into focus. So it's, I don't know. But I know someone's already told me I need to get a helmet cam and do one of those stickies right on one of my helmets, so that when I'm out all the time, I can just get like POV, point of view, whenever I'm doing something. So I will be doing that as well. I have to buy a third camera for that. So let's get into this one and give me some advice, guys. I appreciate it ahead of time. Thank you for stopping by. Give us a like and a subscribe. Juice that little algorithm. Share this with your biker buddies or other people that you know that could give me good advice so that we can bring a really good channel for you guys to be entertained. All right, peace.
Hey, Skyler. Missing you for a minute, sweetheart. How you been? What's up, bro? What's up, buddy? This one keeps following. We see that's how she is. Has he got a draw? I mean, has he got a GoPro in the back? Yeah. Oh, were you following me for a while?
I was behind you. I seen you turn on the way to the plate. I was just coming over the way to the plate behind you.
This Philadelphia has a lot of bumps in it. Man.
Oh yeah.
And as soon as I started hitting the bumps, this started to go down. But I was going 90 on 30, and it kept it fine.
You have to ride to the side. I ride over the way.
Oh, it's like speed bumps almost. There's the whole street.
And
you can't even speed them.
Because everybody goes flying up the street and they don't want to fix it.
Slows everybody down. Yeah, my God. As soon as I got like 2 blocks down, right out of the middle of the city, every once in a while you start to get them bumps. Yeah. Oh shit. So hot for this jacket, dude. I need a summer jacket.
Shorts and a fucking.
No, I can't. I've wrecked too many times. I'd rather be sweaty than road rash.
The to get these fuckers out here, so,
You want to take it for a spin?
Oh, yeah.
Just, don't get crazy because
No,
it's got a little bit of, you know, it's a little different than your bike. Your bike's more torquey, but this...
Yo, you know what Carl bought? Brandon Rooster? It's got that whole launch control where it doesn't really, they're full throttle.
A new one?
Brand new one.
It's got launch control too? Yo, I just saw a kid, he's got a 1440 Hayabusa big bore kit. 1440? 1441. You ever heard of it? So he's got he got 218 horsepower.
Oh yeah, they're making it.
But this is 215 top.
Yeah, but
How you feeling? Wet?
That's the difference though, because that motor was so small anyway.
Yeah, but the new one has to be over 200, bro. Your buddy's has to be 200 from the start, right? Hey.
Actually, my nerve is What? I got that book. What kind is this?
Honda CBR.
See the coolers? See the coolers? You get both coolers to the backyard. And then they'll get everything to you. They're right here. They're right here.
This one shut off.